Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Faruk's. Today we are going to learn 5 important idioms. So let's start learning. Our first idioms is face the music. Face the music means to face criticism or punishment for something that you have done. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো সমালোচনা বা শাস্তির মুখোমুখি হওয়া। For example, if she lied to me, then she will just have to face the music. Another example, if you don't complete your project on time, you have to face the music. Number 2, cats and dogs. It means raining heavily. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো মুষলধারে বৃষ্টি হওয়া। For example, how will you go to play cricket? It's raining cats and dogs. Another example, it's raining cats and dogs and I'm worried about how my kids will reach home. Number 3, at the 11th hour. At the 11th hour means the last moment. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো শেষ মুহূর্তে। For example, we only received the signatures at the 11th hour. Another example, he came to his ailing father at the 11th hour. Number 4, in full swing. In full swing means at the highest level of activity. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো পুরোদমে। For example, our classes are going on in full swing. Another example, when we reached there, the party was in full swing. Number 5, slip of the tongue. Slip of the tongue means speak error or misspeaking. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো মুখ ফসকে বের হয়ে যাওয়া। For example, I called her new boyfriend by her previous boyfriend's name. It was just a slip of the tongue. Another example, did I say $100? I must have been a slip of the tongue. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. And don't forget to like our videos. Thank you so much. See you next time in next video. Till then, take care of yourself, be safe. Ta-ta!